All right, quick video on how to reset the maintenance light on this is a 21 Lexus ES350, and it's similar to 22 and maybe some older models, 2019, 2020, 2018. I guess a little bit different where the buttons are, but it's basically the same thing. So anyways, you can see I have a maintenance light on. All you gotta do is, using this toggle, go to vehicle settings, scroll down to maintenance, and set the maintenance, just hit yes, and that's basically it. Very simple. You might have some options on your screen using your menu button. If you go to, hard to see these glasses, setup, vehicle, and maintenance. Sometimes you'll have these that you can reset if you had to set them already. So you can go ahead and do that if yours has warning lights or maintenance messages on the screen. There you have it. Have a good day.